This caramel latte crumble mug cake is soft, fluffy, and infused with rich coffee flavor, topped with a buttery caramel crumble. The best part? You don't need an oven, mixer, or baking skills. Just a mug, a spoon, and your microwave. It's like your favorite caramel latte turned into a cozy dessert, made right in your favorite cup. Let's start with the crumble topping. In a small bowl, add 1 tablespoon of flour and 1 tablespoon of brown sugar. Sprinkle in a tiny pinch of salt to balance the sweetness. Now add half a tablespoon of cold butter. Gently rub the butter into the dry ingredients with your fingers until the mixture looks crumbly and sandy. Set this aside. In a microwave-safe mug, add 4 tablespoons of all-purpose flour. This forms the soft base of the cake. Next, stir in 2 tablespoons of sugar for sweetness, a 1/4 teaspoon of baking powder so the cake rises nicely, and just a pinch of salt to balance all the flavors. Give everything a quick mix so the baking powder is evenly distributed. This helps keep the cake light and fluffy. Now pour in 2 tablespoons of strong brewed coffee. This is where that latte flavor comes in. Add 1 tablespoon of milk to keep the cake moist, 1 tablespoon of oil for tenderness, a 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla extract for warmth, and 1 teaspoon of caramel sauce for that sweet coffee shop touch. Stir everything together until smooth and lump-free, making sure to scrape the sides and bottom of the mug. Sprinkle the prepared caramel crumble evenly over the top of the batter. Don't press it down, let it sit gently on top so it melts and bakes into a buttery, golden layer. Pop your mug into the microwave and cook for about 60 seconds. And there you go, a warm, fluffy caramel latte crumble mug cake that's rich, cozy, and totally satisfying. The perfect single-serve treat for coffee lovers whenever you need a sweet pick-me-up. And hey, if you love quick, single-serve desserts like this, grab my free mug cake ebook linked in the bio for even more easy recipes you can make in minutes.